The aviation sector is vital to a country's ambition to integrate with the world economy. India today is amongst the fastest growing economies. Yet a country of more than 1 billion people has only a fleet of about 400 commercial planes. In comparison, countries like Brazil, Russia and Indonesia have more than 3 to 4 times the number of our aircraft. This, however, is changing fast. It's estimated that by 2020, India will be amongst the fastest growing civil aviation markets in the world. Growing at a pace of about 10% per annum, Indian carriers have more than 500 aircrafts on order. According to one estimate, over 3,000 pilots will be needed over the next 5 years. The establishment of the CAE Simulation Training Center will help meet the need for pilots to sustain the growth of the aviation industry in India.
The CAE Center for Simulation Training is a joint venture with CAE. We currently have 2 simulators operational and will have 4 more by 2017. It will be the largest such facility in the country.
Delhi is a large base for pilots, and there was a real need for a facility like this in North India. Pilots of all airlines from India and the neighboring countries will be able to get training and their license renewed. The center provides training to Indigo and Go Air pilots. It features 2 CAE Series 5000 A320 full flight simulators certified to Level D. Pilots and students can benefit from advanced training technologies such as CAE Simfinity multimedia classrooms, computer-based training and briefing and debriefing facilities. Simulators have a critical role in pilot training. They create a synthetic environment of real-time situations and extreme conditions such as in-flight fires, electrical failures, hazardous weather, engine failures, so that pilots can experience the flight environment under emergency conditions. The simulation is so realistic that after training, a pilot is ready to fly a real aircraft with passengers on board.
India is a very key market for CAE, and we're very, very proud to partner with InterGlobe in opening up this world-class training facility for pilots in the region.
Set up as a preferred Airbus training center, CAE Simulation Training Center is the largest training and license renewal facility in India. At full capacity, it will be able to train up to 5,000 pilots annually. The airline industry contributes 1.5% of India's GDP and supports over 1.7 million jobs, even though less than 3% of its population uses the air routes. There is a vast potential for growth in the sector. Infrastructure facilities such as this are key to enabling it. CAE Simulation Training Center is a reflection of our conviction in this sector. We are proud of our role in helping shape the industry.